Good morning. It's a brand new day, full of opportunities and possibilities. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and get ready to seize the day. Remember, every day is a chance to be better than you were yesterday, to learn something new, and to make progress towards your goals. No matter what challenges or obstacles you may face today, believe in yourself and your abilities. You have the power to overcome any difficulty and to achieve your dreams. So take a positive attitude and let your enthusiasm and passion drive you forward. Start your day with a clear purpose and a positive mindset. Set achievable goals for yourself and work towards them with determination and focus. Remember, the journey may be long and challenging, but with persistence and hard work, you will get there. So let's make the most of this day. Let's inspire others. Let's be kind. Let's be productive. And let's make it a great day.